Good morning students. Let us see now exercise 3.3. First question they have given. Expand the squaring identities they have given. The first question 3m plus 5 the whole square. We can compare the given value with a plus b the whole square. What is the formula for a plus b the whole square? Which is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now we have to compare a with 3m and b with 5. We will get the value a square 3m square plus 2 into a 3m b 5 plus b square 5 square. Now 3m the whole square is nothing but 3 square m square. When we multiplying the numerical value 2 into 3 6, 6 into 5 30 m. Now 5 square is 25. Here 3 square value 9. So 9m square plus 30m plus 25 is our final answer. Next subdivision 2, 5p minus 1 the whole square. This look like a minus b whole square. The formula for a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now we have to compare. Here a is 5p, b is minus 1. A square is nothing but 5p the whole square minus 2 into a 5p b 1 plus b square 1 square. Now 5p the whole square is nothing but 5 square p square minus 2 into 5 10, 10 into 1 again 10. P is a variable. So minus 10p plus 1 square value 1. Now 5 square value 25. So 25p square minus 10p plus 1 is our final answer. Next subdivision 3, 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 3. Here we can compare this with x plus a into x plus b. Here we have a is minus 1, b is plus 3. Now formula is x square plus a plus b x plus a into b. Now we have to substitute this value to the formula. X square is nothing but 2n the whole square plus a plus b. A is minus 1 plus b is 3. So minus 1 plus 3 into x, that is 2n plus a into b, minus 1 into 3. Now 2n the whole square is 4n square. Here 3 minus 1 will be 2. We have already here 2n. So 2 into 2n it will be 4n minus 1 3s are 3. This is our final answer. Next question number 4. 4p square minus 25q square. Here this is look like 4p square. We can't take a square as the whole. So that what we have to do, we have to find square root of the 4. So we can write 4 as 2 square. Now 2 square p square is nothing but 2p the whole square. Then we can take now 2p as our a. So simple rearrangement we have to do to apply the formula. Now this one 2p the whole square. Here 25 square root of 25 is 5. So that 5q the whole square. Now we can compare this with the formula a square minus b square. We know that a square minus b square is nothing but a plus b, a minus b. Here a 2p, b 5q. Now a plus b is nothing but 2p plus 5q into a minus b is nothing but 2p minus 5q. Next, expand 3m the whole cube. This is cubic identities. We know the formula a plus b the whole cube. Here a is 3, b is m. What is a plus b whole cube formula? Which is a square plus 3a square b. Sorry, it is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now we have to compare the value. Now 3 cube plus 3 into 3 square m plus 3 into m square plus m square. Simply we have to substitute instead of a 3 and b m. Now 3 cube value is 3 into 3 which is 27. Now 3 into 3 square. 3 square value is 3 into 3 9 into 3 27 m. Here 3 into 3 9 m square. M square as it is. Now we have to write in a order. Based on the power we have to arrange. Highest to least power we have to arrange the variable. So here variable is m. So m cube m 9m square 27m plus 27 is our answer. Next subdivision 2, 2a plus 5 the whole cube, which is look like a plus b the whole square. Here a is 2a, b is 5. So a plus b whole cube, we know that a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So a cube 2a the whole cube plus 3 into a square b, 3 into 2a the whole square into 5, 3 into a into b square, 3 into 2a into 5 square plus b cube. Now we need to simplify. This cube is common to 2 as well as a. So 2 cube is 8, a cube as it is. Now 2 square, 3 into 2 square into a square into 5. We will take the numerical value alone. 3 into 5, 15. 2 square value 4. Now 15 fours are 60. A square is a variable. Next, this term 5 square 25, 6 into 2 which is 3 into 2 which is 6. Now 6 25s are 150. The variable is a. Now 5 cube value 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Hope you understand. Next subdivision 3 do as your homework. Next subdivision 5, 52 m cube. We can write 52 cube. We can write 52 cube as 50 plus 2. Easily we can find the 52 cube answer by using the identities. Here we can write 52 cube as 50 plus 2 cube. Now we have to compare with the formula a plus b the whole cube. Here a is 50, b is 2. Now 50 cube plus 3 into 50 square into 2 plus 3 into 50 into 2 square plus 2 cube. This is a formula value. Now 50 cube is nothing but 5 cube. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Here 0 we have to put 3 times. Same here 5 5s are 25, 0 we have to put 2 times. Now 3 into 2, 6 we have. So we have to multiply with this value. When we multiply we will get 15,000. Okay. Now here 2 square 4. Now 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 5, that is 120. 120 into 5, 600. It will be 600. Simple multiplication. 2 cube value 8. When we add this value, we will get the answer easily. This method is easy compared to find 52 into 52 into 52. Next, fifth question, 104 the whole cube. We can write 104 the whole cube as 100 plus 4 the whole cube. 100 plus 4, which is we can compare with the value a plus b the whole cube. Here a is 100, b is 4. So you just do as your homework now. Question number 3, 5 minus x the whole cube. We have to expand 5 minus x the whole cube. Here formula for a minus b whole cube is nothing but a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Alternate value will be the minus negative sign. Alternative value will be negative sign. That will be the formula for a minus b whole cube. Here a cube 5 cube minus we have to take a as 5, b as x. We should not take minus x. Okay. Now a cube 5 cube minus 3 into a square 5 square b is x plus 3 into a 5 b square is x square minus b cube value is x cube. Now 5 cube 125 minus 5 square value 25 into 3 into x plus 3 5s are 15 x square minus x cube. Now we can put the value x cube 125. We will write in order minus x cube plus 15x square minus 3 into 25 75x minus 125. This will be our final answer. Next, subdivision 2, 2x minus 3y the whole cube. We have to compare the value. Now 2x minus 4y the whole cube. A is 2x, b is 4y. Now a minus b whole cube formula, a cube that is 2x the whole cube minus 3 a square 2x the whole square into b 4y plus 3a 2x b 4y the whole square. We should not write 4y square. Okay. Here b is 4y. So we have to write b square as 4y the whole square. The square is common to 4 as well as y. Now b cube 4y the whole cube. Now we have to simplify the value. 2 cube value 8 x cube. 2 square value 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 3s are 48 x square y. Now 4 4s are 16. 16 into 6 it will be 96 x y square minus 4 cube value 64 into y cube. Hope you understand subdivision 3 and subdivision 4. Do as your homework. Next subdivision 5. They have given 97 xy the whole cube. The value have given only once. That is monomial they have given. We need to express this monomial as a binomial. How can we express? Simple. This is a whole cube they have given. So this cube will be common to 97 as well as x and y. So we can write this one as 97 whole cube x cube into y cube. 97 cube x cube into y cube. X cube y cube we have to keep as it is. 97 cube we can write as 100 minus 3 the whole cube. Now 100 minus 3 the whole cube will be compared with a minus b the whole cube. We can find the value by using the formula a cube 100 cube minus 3 into a square 100 square into b 3 plus 3 into a 100 b square 3 square minus b cube 3 cube. Now when we expand this, then we will get the value, this value. Finally 97 whole cube x cube y cube. We have to attach the variable x cube y cube. That's it, our answer. Hope you understand. Remaining questions we will see in the next class. Thank you so much.